Sweetly to you and your kid. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Hey, we came and we wanted to give you guys a family gift. A Christmas gift from our family to the Dean family. Hold on, chapters on my foot.
Ours and the Beach family.
That's what I mean, from our family. The Beaches and the to your family. Merry Christmas! She's the best egg layer in the bunch.
Her name is Snowy.
Her name is Snowy, and she wants to be a part of your family.
Who is that? Where did you get that?
You just were at the chicken stall.
Look at that, full grown. And she's an egg layer.
And just so you know, she's a girl. That's what we figured out in the car. Yeah. So.
No.
I don't even know what
Merry Christmas, Sam!
No, we have to go home.
We have to go. We just wanted to drop you your present. Okay, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it was
Like a light bulb!
all of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names like Pinocchio. They never left poor Rudolph, joining any reindeer day. And one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Ho, ho, ho!
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll go down in history.